Welcome to Joey's Curiosity. If you think high-level geometry is nothing but dry equations, rigid textbook formulas, and tedious calculations that take all the magic out of learning, prepare to have your mind completely changed. In this video, we step into a fantasy realm to solve a brilliant Math Kangaroo Level 9/10 puzzle called the Wizard's Crown, using pure logical thinking, spatial creativity, and an awesome mental math shortcut rather than mindless rote memorization. Let's get right to the quiz. The school tennis team has a secret code to unlock their equipment locker. The base code, C, is the smallest positive integer whose digits add up to exactly 100. However, to actually open the lock, the team captain needs to type in the sum of the digits of C plus 2024. What number unlocks the locker door? A, 7, B, 9, C, 13, D, 17, E, 21. This is the brief on solving the secret locker code math puzzle. We're finding the digit sum of C plus 2024, where C is the smallest integer whose digits add to exactly 100. And we're going to use a genius mental math shortcut to make this intimidating problem super easy. First, let's build that base code, C. To make the smallest number adding to 100, we need the fewest digits. Think of packing a tiny suitcase, right? You want to stuff the most value in, so we maximize space using nines. Well, 100 divided by 9 is 11, with a remainder of 1. So we literally need 11 nines and 1 1. To keep the number as small as possible, we put that tiny 1 at the very front, giving us 199. 999, 999, 999, 999. Second, here's our mental math shortcut. Adding 2024 to a 12-digit number the long way is kind of just a recipe for careless mistakes. I mean, why do the messy math when we can use a shortcut? Notice our huge number is exactly 1 less than 200 billion. Let's rewrite the problem as 200 billion minus 1 plus 2024. Combine the small numbers first. -1 plus 2024 is 2023. Finally, let's find the sum. Add that 2023 back to our clean 200 billion to get 200 billion, 2000, and 23. Simply add its digits together. 2 plus all those zeros plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 3, which equals 9. The locker code is 9. By breaking down the base code and using a simple 1 less than trick, what looks like an impossible 12-digit nightmare actually makes you look like an absolute math wizard. Thanks for watching. We have a lot of exciting content coming up, so make sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications. Don't forget to like and comment to let me know you're here. See you in the next one.